everyone, welcome to my channel. I'm going to be showing you how I make stickers using Procreate and Cricut. So I've already drawn my design, and in the back I created a border, which is the white sticker border. This also gives a guide to the Cricut on where to cut. So what you're going to do is create a layer underneath your design layer. Then you're going to take a brush. I actually have one pre-made for sticker outlining. Then outline underneath your design. Once you're done with that, you're going to fill in the outline you just made. So drag your white over and just fill it in. So now we have our sticker background and outline. So I always make sure I clip my design layer to my background layer, because if you don't and you have, let's say, some random dot somewhere, the Cricut will actually try and cut that out as well. So clip your design layer to your background layer to make sure it cuts correctly and you don't have any weird spots. So then unselect the background layer, go to your tools and save it as a PNG image. Next, you're going to open up your Cricut app on your iPad. I'm already signed in, so when I upload an image to this Cricut app, it will automatically be saved to my computer. You can also email the design to you, but this is way easier. So this was an old design, so I'm just going to replace it. I'm going to go down to Upload and select Photos from Library. Then just select the design you just saved. This will pop up. It shows you your sticker, so click Next. You then have Cut and then Print and Cut. So select Print and Cut and then name your design. Okay, go ahead and click Upload. And your sticker will pop up on this blank canvas. Once you do this, it's automatically saved to your computer software as long as you're signed in. So here's the computer Cricut software. I went ahead and opened a blank canvas. So then all you need to do is go to Upload, and the design you just saved is right there. So I'm going to select that design and then click Add to Canvas. Once it pops up, you can click one of the little squares in the corner and drag it down in size. I usually have my stickers about 2 by 3 inches. After that, you're going to click your design and then go over to these little plus signs, which duplicates your layer. Drag that sticker over, but make sure to leave a little room in between them. You can then double click and select both stickers and go over and duplicate both of them and then drag those down. So we are now creating a sticker sheet. I usually fit about 6 to 8 stickers on one sheet. All right, so now we're going to select all of the stickers we just made. Don't forget this step because this ensures that all of the stickers are print and cut on one sheet of paper. Go down to Attach, and this has attached all of the layers. And now we can also size all of the stickers together to make sure we are making the most of our paper. So it actually looks like I can go a little bit bigger, so I'm gonna go ahead and click 9. But I'm going to show you what it does if it's too big. So it has this little red exclamation bubble, which is telling us that the image is too large. So now we can just go back over and make it a little smaller until that bubble goes away. All right, we're ready to make our stickers. So once you click that, it will show you an example of what your sticker sheet is going to look like. Go ahead and click Continue. And now we're ready to print. It also shows you what machine you're using. So I'm using a Cricut Explore Air 2. And we can go ahead and click Send to Printer. This will open up your print setup, so just make sure the correct printer is selected. I'm going to turn bleed off, and I always do 2 copies. You'll see why later. Click Use System dialog to make sure we're using the correct paper type. And oh look, it's me. So I always use the photo printing setting, borderless, and glossy photo paper as my media type. If I were creating matte sticker sheets, I could just go in here and click matte photo paper. Okay, let's go ahead and get our sticker sheet ready. I am using glossy vinyl sticker paper. I don't have the package anymore, but I do have this linked down below in my Amazon storefront. You can find everything I'm using in that link. I'm using an inkjet printer. This is the Canon Pixma IP8720, and it is a back loader. I'm gonna go ahead and get my laminator ready and turn that on hot. So this is why I made 2 copies. I use laminating pouches and then I just cut them and peel them apart so I have 2 sheets. Make sure to line your laminate so it's within the registration lines. And we're just gonna cut off this extra so this part is also within the lines. And you'll notice on the pouches that the end is connected, so go ahead and cut that off as well so we can peel them apart. So because this laminate is thermal, it is not sticky yet, so you can easily adjust the sheet to make sure it lines up perfectly. All right, let's go ahead and go to the laminator. I'm just gonna go ahead and insert my sticker sheet into the laminator. I usually help feed the sticker sheet through to avoid it curling. Laminating is completely optional, but I do it because I like my stickers to be more durable and water resistant. All right, time to attach our sticker sheet to our Cricut mat. So we're just going to line the sticker sheet up in the top left corner. So if you find that your Cricut has a hard time reading the registration lines, try matte Scotch tape and just put it on all of the registration lines. Glossy paper can blind the sensor, which causes it to not be able to read the registration line, so then your cuts can be off. So this definitely helps. If you notice it's still not reading, try using a black Sharpie and just going over the lines. I have to do this a lot, especially with the bottom portion. And we are ready to cut. Another step is actually keeping your Cricut lid closed so any outside lights cannot get in and also blind the sensor. When choosing a cut setting, it all depends on your sticker paper, if it's laminated. So I would just try a couple different ones. You'll also notice that your pressure setting, I usually just do default. If you have a Cricut Explorer Air 2, it does have this dial with pre-cut settings. So you could try a couple of these. I would start with the Poster Board Plus and see if that works for you. Make sure when you're inserting your mat that it's going underneath these hooks. and also that you're pushing it to the left. All right, we have our sticker sheet, and you can see that there's a perfect cut line all the way around the sticker. So something I do to help remove the stickers is actually fold your Cricut mat in half, but not too much where it bends your sheet, just enough that it helps pop out the stickers. So I'm gonna go ahead and remove all of these. And there we have it. We have a whole stack of strawberry cow stickers. But I really hope this video helped you. Let me know if you have any more questions in the comments below. And don't forget to subscribe for tutorials, behind the scenes, and more about me and my small business. And I'll see you in my next video.